Combining all the great features from years past with innovative new features, Holdem Manager 3 delivers new streamlined post-session analysis tools and new HUD features that will elevate anyone's poker game. Let's get started and show you what Holdem Manager 3 can do for you. The new Holdem Manager 3 reports display even more actionable data than ever before. Situational views take common post-session analysis to a completely new level. Click any of the left-hand tiles to view detailed information. Click any link in the main view to load the hand view so you can quickly review hands. You can even use the main report filters to filter hands even deeper in every situational view. Tournament players have specific situational views customized just for tournament play. Plus, tournament players can also use all the cash game situational views. Does the same player always seem to outplay you? Now you can compare their stats right next to yours. The red bars show the player on the left performs this action more than the player on the right. The green bars are tied to the player's stats on the right. Look for big differences between the two players to quickly spot situations they play completely different. Report filters received a major update in the form of what we call HMQL, or the Holdem Manager query language. This allows you to start typing a filter and Holdem Manager will suggest ways to complete the filter. Start by building filters in the main filter editor and note how they are displayed at the top of the reports. Once you have a basic understanding how filters are created, you can quickly build filters using the HMQL language. The main report filters are now more visual and interactive, allowing you to quickly visualize what filter you are creating. Position and action, board texture, and hand value filters were all completely redesigned with this philosophy in mind. Tournament players can use all the main filters along with tournament-specific filters. This enables tournament players more flexibility in the type of hands and tournaments they want to filter for. I'm going to use the quick filters to demonstrate stacking filters. We'll add the 3-bet filter, then the all-in on the turn filter. Notice how Holdem Manager instantly added both filters. You can do the same with the main report filters too. Along with quick filters, Holdem Manager will save your recent filters. You can also save any filter and it will be placed in the Save Filter section. Now that we have some filters applied to a report, instead of applying filters again on the same report, we can save the report with the filters applied. Notice how Holdem Manager added it to my favorite reports, and Holdem Manager also placed this save report in the main Select the Report page. The new replayer allows theme customization along with a few more options. Most notably are hotkeys. Use the left, right, up, down, home, and end keys on your keyboard to step through hands, move to the next hand or previous hand, or skip to the first or last hand currently loaded in the replayer. Mark hands for review, quickly change between hands here and here, copy the hand to your clipboard, and view more replayer options by clicking the gearbox icon. The live play view updates and displays data as you're playing live. If you're not playing live, it will display your last session. Add or remove key stats here. Filter the hand view for the currently selected table here. The graph and hand views have the same customizable display options as the graphs and hand views found throughout Holdem Manager 3. New custom HUDs, pop-ups, and stats put more actionable stat data on live tables than ever before. Cash players can use the new standard and advanced HM3 HUDs. Both HUDs provide a streamlined HUD and one with labels to help you identify stats. Tournament players have a newly designed HM3 standard tournament HUD and a new pop-up. The new cash and tournament pop-ups break down stats based on pre-flop action by position. The new HUD Only mode allows hands to import into your database and your HUD to update in real time without Holdem Manager 3 being open. HUD Only mode is active by default and you just need to close Holdem Manager 3, then the Holdem Manager system tray icon will take over all hand importing and HUD updates. With over 2,000 HUD stats available in Holdem Manager 3, HUD stat counts have doubled over previous versions of Holdem Manager. Now you can find positional stats for just about every HUD stat available. Now you can clean up your table by choosing to display the HUD only when you mouse over the HUD element. The new HUD Profile Editor allows you to copy default HUDs and make them your own. Just like in years past, you can see the changes as you make them, but now all HUD profile options are found on a single screen, making the HUD editing process that much faster. Maybe you prefer a HUD based on simple visuals versus a large panel of stats for each player. View 3 lines of key stats along with circle graphs mapping out the first line of stats. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the tables.